Hi and welcome back to my kitchen. Today I will be making roasted potatoes, vegetarian fried rice, and fresh salad. I have the seasoning for the roasted potato, garlic plus Greek blend, all-purpose seasoning, black pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, chili powder, oregano, roasted garlic, pimento, and spice herb. And to this, I will add olive oil. We're going to put this in the air fryer now. I already cooked the rice in the rice cooker. My oil is hot. I'm going to add the rice. Here I have all-purpose seasoning, brown sugar, black pepper, and fried rice seasoning. Now I'll add the soy sauce. Now I'll add the sweet peppers. I have red, yellow, and green. And bora, which we picked from the garden. The fried rice is done. I'm going to add purple onion and white onion and koi veggie. Now I'll add the all-purpose seasoning, the black pepper, and the fried rice seasoning. I'll add the soy sauce. Now I'll add the peppers. I have red, yellow, and green peppers, and the bora. The fried rice is finished cooking. The last thing I'm going to do is to add the koi veggie and the purple and white onion. And I'm going to garnish the fried rice with some green onion. Potatoes finished roasting. Here is my roasted potato, vegetarian fried rice, and fresh salad, and a cold glass of sour drink. Please like and subscribe. I will include the recipe in the description below. Thank you for watching. Stay safe and see you in the next video.